Welcome to the Travel Excursion channel. Today, I'm inviting you to explore Redding, Northern California's vibrant gem. From lush forests and shimmering lakes to iconic landmarks, Redding offers something for every traveler. We'll uncover the top 23 must-visit spots, so stick around for the full list and insider tips. Let's dive in and discover why Redding captures the hearts of visitors from around the world. Our journey begins at the Sundial Bridge, the crown jewel of Redding and a symbol recognized far beyond Northern California. Stretching gracefully across the Sacramento River, this striking structure immediately captures your attention with its futuristic design and gleaming white pylon that soars into the sky. Designed by world-renowned architect Santiago Calatrava, the Sundial Bridge is more than just a way to cross the river. It's a masterpiece of engineering and creativity. Its glass walkway glistens underfoot, offering a unique perspective of the water below, while the bridge itself doubles as a massive working sundial, casting shadows that mark the hours of the day. The Sundial Bridge is more than just a crossing. It's an experience that captures the spirit of Redding. Just steps from the bridge, Turtle Bay Exploration Park is a haven for discovery. Enjoy hands-on science exhibits, animal encounters, and sprawling botanical gardens. The McConnell Arboretum features themed gardens and winding trails. Don't miss the butterfly house in spring and summer. Turtle Bay sparks imagination for all ages. It's a must-stop to truly understand Redding's unique blend of nature and community. Step back in time at Shasta State Historic Park, a remarkable window into California's gold rush era, located just a short drive from Redding. Once known as the Queen City of California's northern mining district, Shasta was a bustling hub for fortune seekers and pioneers in the mid-1800s. Stroll along the historic Main Street, where rows of weathered brick buildings stand as silent witnesses to the dreams and dramas of a bygone era. Inside the park's museum, you'll discover authentic gold rush artifacts, tools, clothing, and personal treasures left behind by miners and settlers. Whether you join a guided tour, witness a lively reenactment, or simply wander the preserved streets on your own, Shasta is truly living history, a vital piece of Redding's story. Whiskeytown Lake is a sparkling retreat for outdoor lovers. Enjoy kayaking, swimming, fishing, or hiking scenic trails to hidden waterfalls and panoramic vistas. The area's gold rush history adds intrigue, with remnants of old mining operations along the shore. As the sun sets, the lake glows with golden hues, perfect for making memories. Whiskeytown is where adventure and relaxation meet. Lassen Volcanic National Park is a dramatic landscape where the forces of fire and ice collide in spectacular fashion. Here, you'll witness geysers erupting with scalding steam and the earth itself bubbling with energy just beneath your feet. Venture further and you'll discover boiling mud pots, their surfaces churning and popping with heat from deep underground. Towering above, snow-capped peaks stand in stark contrast, offering breathtaking views and a sense of tranquility. In spring and summer, wildflower meadows burst into color, painting the landscape with vibrant hues. Crystal-clear mountain lakes reflect the sky and surrounding forests, inviting visitors to pause and soak in the serenity. Adventurers can also enjoy skiing across pristine slopes, with panoramic views of Lassen Peak rising majestically in the distance. The Sacramento River Trail is Redding's outdoor heartbeat. Walk, run, or cycle along miles of scenic riverbank, through forests and over charming bridges. Wildlife sightings and river views make every visit special. It's a daily ritual for locals and a must for visitors seeking tranquility. The Cascade Theater is a restored Art Deco masterpiece in downtown Redding. Step inside for velvet curtains, gleaming chandeliers, and top-notch performances. From Broadway shows to concerts, it's the heart of Redding's art scene. Whether for a show or the architecture, the Cascade promises a memorable night out. The McConnell Arboretum and Botanical Gardens is a paradise for plant lovers. Explore themed gardens featuring plants from around the world and California natives. Meandering paths reveal ponds, sculptures, and ever-changing seasonal displays. Educational exhibits make it a living classroom for all ages. It's a peaceful sanctuary you'll want to revisit. When it's hot, WaterWorks Park is Redding's go-to for family fun. Enjoy thrilling slides, lazy rivers, and splash zones for all ages. The park is clean, safe, and perfect for summer gatherings. WaterWorks Park is where laughter and memories flow. Shasta Dam towers above the Sacramento River, a marvel of engineering. Guided tours reveal its massive turbines and inner workings. From the top, take in panoramic views of Lake Shasta and Mount Shasta. It's a must-see for both engineering buffs and sightseers. Old City Hall Arts Center is Redding's creative hub. Explore rotating art exhibits, workshops, and performances in a historic setting. Local artists host talks and classes, making it a lively community space. It's where Redding's artistic spirit thrives. Beneath Lake Shasta lies a hidden world, the Lake Shasta Caverns. Accessible by boat, the journey offers stunning lake views before you descend into limestone chambers. Guided tours reveal dazzling formations and fascinating geology. The caverns are a cool, magical escape year-round. Bethel Church draws visitors worldwide for its vibrant music and dynamic community. Conferences, concerts, and retreats fill the campus with energy and inspiration. Even non-religious visitors appreciate Bethel's creative spirit and global reach. It's a landmark that shapes Redding's identity. The Redding Civic Auditorium is the city's premier event venue. From concerts to expos, it hosts big events year-round with excellent acoustics and amenities. Its Riverside location is perfect for pre-show picnics or post-event strolls. The Civic brings Redding together for unforgettable moments. The Sacramento River weaves through Redding, nourishing its landscapes and spirit. Enjoy world-class fishing, kayaking, or a peaceful riverside picnic. Parks and trails line the banks, offering endless ways to connect with nature. The river is a constant reminder of Redding's natural beauty. Caldwell Park is a local favorite along the Sacramento River. Wide lawns, play areas, and sports courts make it perfect for families and gatherings. Events like movie nights and food truck festivals keep it lively year-round. Caldwell Park captures Redding's laid-back, friendly vibe. Clear Creek is Redding's hidden gem, winding through oak woodlands and rocky canyons. Swim in crystal-clear pools or hike scenic trails through wildflower meadows. It's the perfect spot for solitude, adventure, and a taste of Redding's wild side. Thank you all for joining me on the Travel Excursion channel on our guide to Redding. Do you think you will be visiting anytime soon? Let me know down in the comments. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload, as this will help the channel out a lot. Thank you for your support. Hope you all have an amazing day, and I will catch you on our next video. Goodbye.